Tonight, I'll be speaking to you on reversing cancer and how we can do that. Reversing cancer. So the question is asked, what is cancer? So cancer is the name given to a collection of related diseases. In all types of cancer, whether it be breast or colon or pancreatic cancer, liver cancer, some of the body's cells begin to divide without stopping and spread into surrounding tissues. So, some characteristics of cancer is that it can start anywhere within the body, which is made up of trillions of cells. Now, normally human cells grow and divide from new cells as the body needs them. When cells grow old or become damaged, they die and new cells take their place. When cancer develops, however, this orderly process breaks down as cells become more and more abnormal. Old or damaged cells survive when they should die, and new cells form when they are not needed. These extra cells can die without stopping and may form growths that we know as tumors. One of the characteristics of cancer is that they differ from normal cells is that they allow them to grow out of control and become invasive. One important difference is that cancer cells are not specialized than normal cells. That is why normal cells mature in a very distinct way and type with specialized function. So we see here that there are cells, then cells become tissues, tissues become organs, and organs become organ system. So for example, we have the skeletal, the digestive, the reproductive. All of those systems are formed basically from small cells. And so cancer does not do that. Cancer is not specialized. And this is one reason why, unlike normal cells, cancer can continue to divide without stopping. So cancer is a genetic disease that is caused by changes to genes that control the way our cells function, especially how they grow and divide. Genetic changes that cause cancer can be inherited from our parents, and they can also arise during a person's lifetime as a result of errors that occur as cells divide or because of damage to our DNA that is caused by certain environmental exposures. Cancer-causing environmental exposures include substances like chemicals that we find in tobacco smoke, in radiation, such as UV rays from the sun, and accumulated damage over time can lead to progressive mutations that break down the regulation of our cell growth, ultimately leading to cancer. So here are some factors for cancer. We know that age, alcohol intake, exposure to certain cancer-causing substances, a poor diet, taking hormones, immunosuppressor drugs, and tobacco, even obesity can be a form of a cancer risk. So here are the conventional treatments that are out there today. There's radiation, there's surgery, chemotherapy, and there are certain targeted drug therapies that are available for certain types of cancer. I also want to mention to you another treatment for cancer, and that is basically the 8 laws of health that we know about as New Start. And tonight I'll be talking briefly about nutrition and exercise and also herbs. And so nutrition with our foods, with fruits and vegetables help to protect against several cancers, whether it be mouth or throat stomach, or lung. They have within them something called phytochemicals which help to protect our cells. They also help to regulate our hormones. Some of the fruits and veggies and herbs we have can also slow down cancer growth, reduce inflammation, and also reduce oxidative damage. So check out these pictures. These are highly refined foods. Also, fried foods. The French fries, the fried chicken, and the other stuff that we like so much. And so the question is asked, what do all of these things have in common? Well, my brothers and sisters, there is obesity, inflammation, cell damage, and also free radical damage within all of those foods that we just saw. I want to recommend and say that eating whole plant foods would be best for us. Eating a variety of colors, going at least 80% raw, and avoid animal foods, dairy, eggs, and processed carbohydrates, sugars, and high-fat foods in our diet. These are the things that I would suggest that we consume rather than the processed foods. Another treatment to cancer is exercise. So studies have shown that increased physical activity has been shown to decrease the risk of cancer in the colon by about 40 to 50%, breast cancer, pancreatic cancer, and also prostate cancer. Another thing that we can also take a look at are herbs. Studies have shown that sweet wormwood is an anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-tumor. And if taken in tablet or powder form, it can benefit and help also. Turmeric. Turmeric, the active ingredient is curcumin, and it is anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer. It's also an antioxidant, and it has several other benefits. Black seed oil or curcumin or black cumin. Black seed oil helps to prevent cell growth. It helps to stabilize the molecules with free radicals. It is also an antioxidant, and it also helps to reduce inflammation. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a gel that is a powerful source of antioxidants belonging to a large family of phenols. We know that ingesting that is very beneficial for us. Now, we know that all healing comes from God, and so we are to claim His promises, claim the promises of the Bible. And here is one of them that I love so much. Jeremiah 17 and verse 14 says, "Heal me, Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved, for you are the one I praise." Tonight, here are my references, and I pray that we receive the blessing tonight. Amen.